Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Bhatia and I'm an Oracle consultant. I have been working for last 15 years on different Oracle technologies, Oracle Fusion database management system, and recently I developed a new hobby regarding stock market. So I joined iPlan Education last year in April, and I am under the supervision of Mr. Pravin Khetan, and definitely he has huge experience in this field. The way he teaches us, it's fabulous. Trust me, at times earlier to this, I did not know about the debit and credit itself because I'm not from the commerce background. But the way he explained the things and the way he teaches, the way he uses his experience to nurture candidates, students, that is fabulous. I don't have words for him, and I recently upgraded my technical analysis course to DIC, Advanced Diploma course in Capital Market, where I will be taught different aspects of finance and definitely uh, micro level economics or so. I'm not well versed with it, and that's why I cannot tell you. There are so many modules available. I would highly recommend those students who are seeking their career in this field. They should consider joining iPlan Education, and especially from the team of Mr. Khetan. And if we are privileged enough, we will be getting direct batches from Mr. Pravin Khetan itself. So I would recommend all those people who are interested in this field, they consider joining this, and they can definitely start their career. Thank you very much.